It's not just some random vlog or something. It's a really cool intro video. These are the kind of stuff you don't see in the video itself, which you're always wondering, like, how do they get that thing to spin?
Yo, it's Taya. So today is Cinematic Friday, and as promised, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a cinematic sequence we created for Happy Pill. If you didn't see the vlog on how we created this video, make sure you click up here. I shot it with my little cousin Diresh, and it came out really well. They were super happy with it as well. Just want to say that this is also my first time shooting a stop motion sequence. It's an amazing skill to have. I'm definitely going to be working on it more in future. If you haven't tried it out and you are a videographer, I highly recommend you check it out and try to do a few things around that. It's amazing. Plus side to it is that you can actually create multiple versions of the same footage that you shot. Make sure you stay tuned to see how I keep doing this with the same footage that I shot for Happy Pill. Thank you so much to all of you who have joined the channel. We've just reached 100 subscribers. I know it's not a lot in terms of when you look at all the other YouTubers out there, but I am thrilled and over the moon. Means so much. Secondly, Cinematic Fridays, I'm thinking to do something different and offer value to brands as well. So if you like this video that you're about to see and you know a brand that could benefit from a similar kind of video, make sure to hit me up. I'm looking to work with other brands and create similar content, growing myself and the brand along the way. I'll be doing this for super reasonable prices just because I'm just starting out. So make use of it. Let me know what you guys think down below. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy this clip. See you guys next week.